This liquid is not water, it is not oil, and it is definitely not safe to drink. If you drop a gallon of this on the floor, you just lost $39 million. Welcome to the Venom factory. Inside this high-tech facility in China, millions of deadly scorpions are living in boxes. They aren't here for food. They are here to be milked. But milking a cow is easy. Milking a million Deathstalker scorpions without getting stung requires robots, UV lights, and nerves of steel. Why is this poison worth more than gold? And how exactly do they get it out? Let's go inside the lab. To understand the scale, you have to look at the housing. Scorpions are cannibals. If you put two in a box, you end up with one fat scorpion. So every single one needs its own private apartment. In this facility, there are over 5 million individual cups. That means 5 million mouths to feed and 5 million tails to milk. Traditionally, farmers extracted venom by hand, squeezing the gland with tweezers. One slip meant a trip to the hospital. But today, they use bioelectric stimulation. A tiny, precise electric shock tricks the scorpion into releasing its payload without hurting it. It's faster, safer, and yields the purest liquid gold. But keeping them alive long enough to milk them is a nightmare. Scorpions are picky eaters. They require a steady diet of mealworms and crickets, tons of them every week. And the breeding process is alien. Scorpions don't lay eggs. They give birth to live young. The babies, called scorpions, climb onto their mother's back and ride there for weeks until their first molt. In the wild, this is cute. In a factory with millions of them, it looks like a moving carpet of armor. If the temperature drops by even 2 degrees, the mothers will stress out and eat their own babies. It is a delicate balance between life and cannibalism. This isn't a bee sting. This facility farms the Deathstalker scorpion. Its venom is a cocktail of potent neurotoxins designed to shut down a nervous system in minutes. One sting causes unbearable burning pain, then fever, convulsions, and eventually, fluid fills your lungs, drowning you from the inside. Workers here wear double-layer puncture-proof suits, but accidents happen. In a room with millions of stinging tails, a single dropped box isn't just a mess. It is a death sentence. But the Venom lab is only half the business. So, why does anyone pay $39 million for a gallon of death? It's not for a collection, it's for a cure. Scientists have discovered that chlorotoxin, a specific protein in the venom, has a superpower. It can bind to cancer cells while ignoring healthy ones. It is being used to create tumor paint, a glowing dye that lights up brain tumors so surgeons can cut them out perfectly. But the supply is tiny. It takes 2.6 million milkings to produce just 1 gallon. That scarcity, combined with its life-saving potential, makes it the most valuable liquid on Earth. From a deadly sting to a life-saving cure. Would you be brave enough to work here for $100 an hour? Let us know in the comments. In the streets of Beijing, scorpions aren't treated as dangerous. They are treated as a snack. Welcome to the Wangfujing Snack Street. Here, vendors sell thousands of scorpions on sticks every night. They are dipped in hot oil while still alive. The heat neutralizes the venom instantly, turning the deadly poison into a harmless protein. Locals say it tastes like greasy popcorn. To feed this market, massive farms raise the Asian forest scorpion specifically for meat. They are grown in concrete pits the size of swimming pools, harvested by the shovel load, and shipped alive to restaurants.
Attention passengers.
Because the value is so high, the scorpion industry has a dark side: smuggling. Airport security scanners regularly pick up strange moving organic masses in suitcases. In one famous case, a man tried to smuggle 200 venomous Deathstalkers in plastic containers hidden in his luggage. If a bag like that breaks open on a plane at 30,000 feet, it's a horror movie come to life. To fight this, customs agents now use X-ray scanners specifically tuned to detect the density of exoskeletons. But for every shipment they catch, 10 more slip through the cracks.